transition to DSM-5 and recent ICD-10 CM updates emphasizes the clinical impact of social determinants of health.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about how the DSM-5 has been updated to include some new categories, some determinants of health, self-care, mobility, getting along, life activities, and participation. Here is a chart. For those of you who are coders, this involves adding Z codes to increase the complexity. This is a new functional score that replaces the GAF. The GAF is the old standard, the Global Assessment of Functioning. Now it's being used, the WHO Disability Assessment Schedule.
The new guidelines, like the DSM-5, really highlight the connection between these social factors and your diagnosis. Let's adjust the plan based on this data.
These codes should be used as secondary diagnoses to support the primary psychiatric diagnosis for AS.
We're looking at the diagnostic category and the primary diagnosis and how the social determinants of health are represented through Z codes. These would be our secondary characteristic codes that we would place after our primary psychiatric diagnosis codes.
Achieving economic stability requires addressing key areas: poverty, employment, food security, and housing.
As you can see, we are adding the Z codes in a particular category as they pertain to certain situations. The clinical documentation focus for bullying would be work setting and documentation Z65.8 for victim of bullying. There are acculturation difficulties, cultural factors, culture shock, language barriers, colorism, racism, environmental factors, code Z58.8, other problems related to physical environment, surroundings, noise, pollution, safety. This could lead to distress diagnosis, F42.3. You're going to use another code. If your patient's living conditions are unsafe or if they're at risk of eviction due to a certain type of behavior.
The primary psychiatric diagnosis, such as F33.2 major depression, is coded with Z60.3 acculturation difficulty.
As we look at our information for our chart, we can see comparing the codes that would be our primary diagnosis with our social determinants of health. And we can see that we have our primary diagnosis in the individual category, our F codes, and our Z codes represented. Diagnoses are no longer a one-size-fits-all. No two major depressive disorders are the same if those underlying factors and stressors are significantly different for others. There could be a combination of these factors as well that can increase the severity of the condition. These codes will give an individualized plan, an individual look to each patient's specific situation, whether it's housing or if it has to do with school or work environment. This will be highly individualistic to each patient. Consider how these factors influence the primary diagnosis. The factors can include work or job stress. A social factor could be bullying. Socioeconomic or cultural factors. My name is Teaching Trends. Until next time, everyone, take care.